Hello, everybody. Today, let's look at one of the more interesting features of Odoo 14, which is consolidation. So, as we are aware that Odoo has multi-company feature where you can configure multi-companies and run processes and operations of different companies in the same database. However, there is a generic requirement when you have multiple companies that you would like to see financial reports in a consolidated manner, which essentially means that you would like to club the data of two different companies and see the reporting and analysis. To do that, we have consolidation module, which allows us to add and mix companies, and along with it, once we do that, the system is able to generate the required reports. If we look at the consolidation module, we have options to first configure the period. To configure the period, you can go ahead and click on create, choose a particular consolidation that you have done, let's say test chart. The currency has been predefined and you can choose a particular date. When you choose a particular date, the company picks up the period that is coming in that particular consolidation for two different companies. For example, the consolidation rate is coming. You can click on save and the system will automatically do the reconsolidation in terms of balance. Okay. Please note that when you define a specific period, the system will automatically pick the dates, define the states, and can configure accordingly. Since two records have been created, I am going to delete one of them. Okay. If I click on recompute, it will do the recalculation for which we will see the details briefly. If I click on edit, it will show me the consolidated balance, but I will go to that shortly. Account groups. When we go talk about account groups, I can here first of all define the actual account groups that I will need, which will help me in the consolidation. So for example, if I'm looking for consolidation of assets, so I defined a consolidation group of balance sheet assets. I can define in which parent it belongs to, and then I can define which particular accounts I want to pick. Okay, basically understand in this manner that let's say on an independent basis, I want to see the consolidation of assets, I want to see the consolidation of liabilities, I want to see consolidation of bank balances, and so on. So you have the flexibility to combine all these things in different account groups. So you can see these things completely independent. And finally, your consolidations. For example, we created test chart. In this case, we have chosen which particular companies that we need to take. So we can see that it has mapped accounts for all these three cases. Since these company have different rates, the default currency is euro, so that's why the rates are also coming, because the target currency will only be single, and it shows the accounts, period, and the groups. If we look at the consolidation entries, which is the operations, primarily what we can do here is that the system automatically creates the journal, and automatically based on the consolidation rate will calculate or create the journal. Please note that these journal entries are not the actual journal entries, but a consolidation of all the journal entries which have been done in two different companies. Okay. Finally, if we see the dashboard, we will be able to see based on the consolidation. We have chosen a test chart and top consolidation. The example I had taken was test chart, in which three companies have been taken. As I can see, based on what has been selected, we have 8 unmapped accounts, one different unmapped accounts, and the expense income balance is coming. If I click on the consolidated balance, we actually go into the details of the balance sheet. Please note here at this point of time, you can see that the system is showing the balances in terms of independent companies, and then it has been combined to take a total. Please note that the consolidation rate, the currency rate is also predefined so that you know it. I firmly believe this is an excellent module and provides great features as far as consolidation is considered, and provides a lot of flexibility to the users to do the consolidation. That's all for now. Thank you very much.
Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.